Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about very good opportunity at Coursera. Yes, Coursera, the same platform where many of us learn AI, data science, programming and technical skills. So please watch this video till the end because I will explain who should apply, what role it is, required skill, work type and why this is a solid opportunity, especially for freshers and early career candidates. So, Coursera is hiring for the role of Associate Software Engineer in India. This is an entry level role mainly for freshers and candidates with 0 to 2 years of experience. You will be working with Coursera's internal tools team. This team builds internal software and backend system that Coursera employees use, like tools for engineering teams, content operations, learner support, finance and legal teams. So this is a real engineering work, not support or manual task. So what you will actually do? You will help in building and improving internal web-based tools, write clean and maintainable code, work with backend workflows and operational system, fixing bugs, testing features and improving processes. Also, collaborating with engineering and backend teams. This role is perfect if you want strong backend plus system exposure early in your career. Coming to the eligibility part, bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering or related field are eligible. So you could be from BCA, MCA, BE, BTech or any related degree. Along with you bring 0 to 2 year of experience, strong basics in programming and DSA, knowledge of at least one language like Java or Python. Also, basics of web technologies are expected like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, REST APIs, CRUD operations, and if you know React, Angular or Vue, it is good. If not, still apply, basics are enough. They also value good communication, time management, and ability to handle multiple tasks. Don't worry if you don't know any of these skills. I have already uploaded all the resources, cheat sheets, and practice materials. You can access them by scanning the QR code or by using the resources link in the description. Coming to the work mode and culture, Coursera is a globally distributed company. You can work from home, work from Coursera's hub, or co-working space near you. Talking about package, Coursera offers a very competitive industry standard package for associate software engineers. Exact CTC depends on experience and level, but it is on par with top global SaaS companies. Along with the salary, you will get learning budget, career growth, and global engineering exposure. So yeah, this is it for today. Don't miss out this opportunity. Or off-campus opportunities fills really fast. So make sure you check out and apply for this. We also share updates on LinkedIn and WhatsApp channel. So make sure to check out and follow those. Thanks for watching.